Another property that certain fields have, that can make your data consistent is the format property. So if you have a number or currency field, and if you take a look here on my screen, you can see the daily rental rate is a currency field. And down here in formatting, you can see we have some anywhere from the general number format currency. You can do it in euros, fixed, standard, percent, or scientific. Most of your currency fields, you do want to have the currency format. However, some people like to have a currency field and just use a fixed or a standard format. We're just going to go ahead and keep it as a currency format. If you have a number data type, as what we're looking at here in quantity, we can click the drop down arrow for format, and again you have the exact same types of format. Now, I would not suggest making a number data type a currency format. You would want to make that a currency data type, knowing that someone's going to put money in there, not the quantity of something. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose the standard format that puts a comma at this thousands and 2 decimal places. Now, in addition to currency and number format, your date time data types also have a drop down arrow in their format property. So if I click here in my date time field and I click in format, you can see that we could display the format with the date and time. We could have the month, the day of the week, all spelled out. You can have it in a medium date, which gives you the 2 digits for the day, 3 letters for the month, and 2 digits for the year. Or you can have the short date, which puts it into with the slashes. And then there are 3 different time formats. Let's just go ahead and choose the medium date. And that's how your date will then appear. I don't have a yes/no field, but a yes/no field also has a drop-down arrow for format, and you can display either the words yes or no, true or false, on or off. And the last data type that has a particular format is your short text or long text fields. Now, they don't particularly have one set up, but you can use common elements, symbols, in order to change the way they're formatted. So what I have listed here is if you put the less than sign in your format, all the characters in that field will be displayed in lowercase. If you use the greater than sign, everything will be in uppercase. If you use the ampersand, you can use this for in addition to the field size. So you would enter 1 ampersand for each character that you want to have included in the field. Now, if your field contains less than those number of ampersands, then it will be leading spaces. For example, if I put 5 ampersands, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them in my format, that will limit the number of characters to 5. But if a person puts ABC, then what will be displayed is you'll see a space, space, then ABC. And the last common symbol for short text and long text is you can change the color. You place the color inside the brackets, and the colors you choose from are black, green, blue, cayenne, magenta, red, yellow, or white. The key with using your color is you have to add an additional formatting symbol. So for example, if you wanted to make all the characters lowercase red, you would type you would type the less than sign and put red in brackets. So let's come over here and let's take product name. If I just quickly go to Datasheet, you can see everything right now is in black. I'll go back to my design view, and I'm going to take the product name and I'm going to make them all uppercase, and I'm going to make them blue. So you check the greater than sign, blue, in brackets. If I go to Datasheet view, save the table, now you can see all the products' name are capitalized and they're in blue. So that is your format property.